Welcome to the Faculty Multimedia Center's Quick Start Guide for the Hollyland M1 and M2 microphones. These Bluetooth microphones have up to 40 hours of battery life and 1.5 hours of charge time using any USB-C cable. This combined with their compactness and easy portability makes them perfect for audio recording in a variety of settings and on the go. So, let's get started. Both the M1 and M2 kits will come with a charging case, receivers that will connect to your recording device, and 2 transmitters that will be clipped to your subjects. The look of the receivers and how they connect to your recording device will vary based on if you have an M1 or M2 kit. For example, the M1 receivers will need an additional USB-C, Lightning, or TRS 3.5mm cable and adapters to connect to your device. Meanwhile, the M2 kits will come with already built-in USB-C and Lightning adapters, ready to plug in and begin recording. All you'll need to do is connect the M1 or M2 receiver to either a camera with a TRS 3.5mm cable input, or to a smartphone or computer with either the Lightning or USB-C inputs. Both the M1 and M2 kits will come with 2 transmitters. They can be clipped onto your subject's shirts, ideally on their collar or anywhere near the mouth and voice. If using the M2 microphone, you can also use the built-in magnet to attach the transmitter onto a shirt, or you also have the option of using the included magnetic lanyard. We hope this quick start guide has helped you better understand the M1 and M2 Hollyland microphones. For further assistance, contact or visit the Faculty Multimedia Center.